Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure the case and both earbuds have a charge. This prevents interruptions during setup. Once done, open the case next to your phone to wake the earbuds and trigger Bluetooth discovery. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your device and have the JBL app installed. The app lets you update firmware and adjust EQ. If you're using Android or iOS, accept required permissions so the earbuds can access audio profiles and calls. Next, pair and tune for comfort. If the earbuds don't auto-pair, press and hold the touch surfaces until the LED flashes to enter pairing mode. Select JBL Reflect Aero in your device's Bluetooth list. Once connected, insert the correct ear tips and twist gently to form a secure seal. This improves bass and call quality. You can map touch controls and customize gestures in the JBL app, and make sure the microphone permissions are enabled for crisp voice calls. Finally, use active noise canceling for focused listening and ambient mode to stay aware of your surroundings. Toggle these features from either the earbuds or the app depending on convenience. If you experience dropouts or one earbud not connecting, place both in the case and hold the touch sensors for 10 seconds to reset, then repair. If problems persist, update firmware in the app because many audio or latency bugs are fixed by updates. And if calls sound thin, check mic orientation and ear tip seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.